In this brief video, we're going to talk about how we create organizational structures. In the software application, before we can build a scorecard, we have to have an organization to assign it to. So in other words, we have our company, and we might have regions and departments within that company. We have to build that structure in the scorecard before we can start assigning scorecards to those. So we're going to navigate over here in the top left, main navigation, to the scorecard module in the application. I'm going to go back to the root of our organizational structure, which is a fictitious company called Globodyne. And you can see that we've built some other organizations underneath it that we use for demonstration purposes. In this case, we're going to build a city government. So what we might do, for example, is right-click on Globodyne there. Underneath that, we're going to build a new organization that is going to be our city government. And it's really that simple. There's a new organizational unit there, business unit, department, whatever we want to call it. We can add another organization unit underneath it. For example, if we wanted to add to the city government a water department. Maybe underneath that we might want to have also a recreations department. We might have a housing department for the city, but you get the idea. So, and then underneath those we can add additional organizational nodes, as we refer to them. Once we have these organizational structures built, we can then start attaching scorecards to each of those levels, but that's going to be covered in another video. But that's really all it is to replicating the organizational structure of our company. We simply right-click and give it a name. Right-click, give it a name. It's very simple. Our goal really is to make this as simple as possible, and that's why we refer to our tagline there as strategy made simple. Thanks for watching.